All right, we've got a 10 to 1, 1 to 10 ladder for you over here. What this means is you can do 10 reps of the first exercise, 1 rep of the second exercise. Then you'll do 9 reps of the first exercise, 2 reps of the second, 8 and 3, 7 and 4, and so on until you get to 1 rep of the first exercise and 10 reps of the second exercise. What we're going to do here right now is a hinge high pull and a thruster. So what I want to see is a hinge. Hinge is at the hips. We're going to come down, bring the dumbbells just about knee high right here. Shoulders are pulled back. Back is a nice flat position, but I'm pushing the hips back behind me. The high pull is going to be up and down, up and down. So we're going to do 3, 4, we're going for 10, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 1 thruster. In between each round, I want to see 10 hollow body rock. So, real quick on the ground. 1, 2, 3, 10, and 9, hinge high pull. And 2 thruster. Ten more hollow body rock, then 8 high pull with 3 thrusters, 7 and 4, and so on. Always doing 10 of the hollow body rocks in between each round. That's it, pretty simple.